Let's explore the top 5 technologies that are essential for building modern distributed systems using microservices. These technologies enable developers to create scalable, resilient, and maintainable applications. Let's dive in. First, Spring Boot is a powerful enterprise Java framework. It allows for rapid microservice development with features like auto-configuration and embedded servers. Look at the example code. We have a simple REST controller created using Spring Boot annotations. The @REST controller annotation marks the class as a controller, and @get mapping annotation maps the GET request for /users to the getUsers method. Next, we have Node.js with Express. Node.js is a lightweight JavaScript runtime, perfect for building fast and scalable network applications. Express is a minimal and flexible Node.js web application framework that provides a robust set of features for web and mobile applications. Here's an example of creating an API server using Express. The code defines a route for /API/ users that responds with some user data. Docker is a containerization platform for packaging and deploying microservices consistently. It ensures that your application runs the same way across different environments by packaging it with all its dependencies into a container. Here is a Docker file, which shows how to define a Docker image for a Node.js application. Instructions like from, copy, and run are used to set up the environment inside the container. Kubernetes, often abbreviated as K8s, is a container orchestration platform for automating deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. It helps you manage your microservices in a cluster, ensuring high availability and efficient resource utilization. The example shows a deployment YAML file, which defines how to deploy a user service with 3 replicas and specifies the Docker image to use. An API gateway acts as a single entry point for routing, authentication, and rate limiting across microservices. It simplifies the client's interaction with the system by providing a unified interface. The code snippet presents a Kong gateway configuration, illustrating how to route requests to the user service. Message queues enable asynchronous communication between services. Technologies like RabbitMQ, Apache Kafka, and Redis allow microservices to exchange messages without needing to directly interact with each other, improving system resilience and scalability. Here's a RabbitMQ publisher code, where a message is published to the orders exchange with the routing key new order. In summary, these technologies Spring Boot, Node.js, Docker, Kubernetes API Gateway, and message queues form the foundation for building scalable distributed systems. By leveraging these tools, developers can create robust and maintainable microservices architectures that can adapt to changing business needs. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.